What's going on, everybody? Goody from Goody's Resale here. Today, we are doing another pack opening video. This time, all Pokemon and all Obsidian Flame. I went to my local comic book store and I bought 21 packs of Obsidian Flame. That is, again, like I said in one of the earlier videos, this is one of my favorite sets out of the new sets. Obviously, because of this guy right here. Lots of Charizards. We're going to go on a Charizard hunt here and see if we can add any more to our Charizard collection. So let's open up some packs. All right, so like I said, went to my local comic book store, Most Excellent Gaming and Comics. They have a ton of Pokemon stuff there. The last couple times I went there, I've grabbed a few Pokemon packs, and we've opened them here on the channel. Obviously, today, no different, except this time we've bought 21 packs of Obsidian Flames set. Again, probably my favorite set from the newer sets. And again, we got 21 of them, as you can see here. Two little piles of 10, plus this one right here with the old Charizard on the front. So let's go Charizard hunting. All right. Start it off. Here's the code card. One to the front. And here we go. Electric Energy. Pidgey. Litwick. Yungoos. Charmander. Armorogue. Ortega. Volcarona. Mawile. Reverse. Varoom Reverse. And Charizard EX. In the first pack, we got ourselves a Charizard card. And as you guys know, this one I do not have yet. So this is going to go right into the PC. Let's put her on the old pedestal here. Got some sleeves and top loaders on standby here. So Charizard EX, the first pull in the first pack. I don't think we're going to get much luckier than that. So let's take that and put her right here. Charizard. Oh, Charizard fell. Charizard EX from Obsidian Flames. All right, let's go. Let's pull from the middle of the pack here. And we got a Dragonite. Trying to do my best not to ruin the cards here, but there we go. That'll work too. All right, here's your code card, everybody. To the front. And here we go. Another Electric Energy. Larvitar. Magnemite. Eevee. Toadschool. Trevenant. Electros. Flamingo. That's an easy one. Meltan. Reverse. Baltoy Reverse. And Togekiss Hollow. Very nice. All right, let's go to this side now in the middle. Oh, knocked over Charizard again. He's got to go back here, I think, so he doesn't fall over. Charizard. All right. Tyranitar pack here. Hopefully everybody's having a good day so far as we continue to open these packs that we bought today. Code card. One to the front. Here we go. Metal Energy. Dratini. Oddish. Swablu, Glimmet, Pupitar, Togetic, Volcarona, Eevee Reverse, nice. Saladit Reverse, and Houndstone EX. Very nice. Put him in a little sleeve here for him. That in there. Put that back there. Houndstone EX. Second pull. Pull another one from this side here. Another Dragonite pack. All right, let's open it up. Keep going. Hope for some bigger pulls here. Though I am excited about that Charizard EX. So I can't complain so far. So far, so good, they would say. Okay, now this one's giving me trouble. There we go. That one felt like it was double sealed. No code card. For those of you who do that. One to the front. And Fighting Energy. What do we got? Scoovent. Palpitoad. Zigzagoon. Scyther. Arvin. Stonefisk. Umbreon. Everybody's favorite evolution. Bunnelby. Reverse. Frogadier. Reverse. And Togekiss. Hollow again. There we go. There's that one. Get some of these out of the way. All right, now we'll go back to the side all the way to the bottom. Let's do that. Here we go. Another Tyranitar pack. So far, so good. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what new set is your favorite. Or how about we just say which one that we enjoy the most opening. Like I've said multiple times, Obsidian Flame, my favorite set of the new sets, mainly because of the Charizard. So, I mean, lots of Charizards in this set. I do enjoy it. Onto the front. Just fun. Fire Energy, maybe that's a sign. Here's Baltoy. Fungus. Pidgeotto. Litwick. Pidgeotto. Dragonair. Armorogue. Carvanana. Togekiss Reverse. And Entei Hollow. Cool looking card. From the top on this one. Here we go. Charizard pack. As we continue to open up our 21 packs today that we got. Packs don't want to cooperate today. But we're getting them open. So here we go. Code card. One to the front. Psychic Energy. That's our first Psychic Energy of the day. Surskit. Darumaka. Froakie. Bonesweet. Doug Trio. Houndstone. Diggersby. Vulpix. Reverse. Zigzagoon. Reverse. And Gita Hollow. Trainer. All right. On the top one now from this side. Haven't had much excitement since the first pack, but still having a good time, and hope you guys are having a good time as well as we open up Obsidian Flame here. That open didn't go as great as the other ones, but here's your code card, none the same. All right, here we go. Water Energy. Surskit. It's like Deja Vu. Darumaka. Froakie. Bonesweet. Dartrix. Oh, Winkaloin. Salazar, Lillipup reverse, Doug Trio reverse, and Thunderous Hollow. Still looking for another one here. Another pull. Let's try to the middle of the pack here. Another Charizard pack. Had luck on the first Charizard pack we pulled a Charizard. So can't get any luckier than that, right? Here we go. Code card. Fire Energy. Tadbulb. Lechunk. Barbaroach. Wiglet. Magnezone. Crabominable. Mawile. Wiglet reverse. Wug Trio reverse. And Hentai Hollow again. All right. Back to the right side here. Let's go into the middle of the right side. With this guy here. I don't know who that Pokemon is. I don't pretend to know all the Pokemon, that's for sure. I do enjoy opening the packs. Never was really interested in playing the game. Even back when Pokemon first came out. I did collect Pokemon cards when I was younger, when they first came out. The only card I actually have left from that is the base set Charizard that I'm very proud of. That's the centerpiece of my Charizard collection, as you probably would figure. Here's Leaf Energy. Smoliv. Varoom. Saladit. Electrite. Skarmory. Wug Trio. Darmanitan. Armorogue reverse. Gita reverse. And there we go. Cloffy X. There we go. The old Cloffy X in a little sleeve here. I'm over here with Houndstone. All right. At least that's something. We'll take it. And here we go. Pull one from the top here. Another Tyranitar pack art. As we hope to continue to pull something good out of this set. Oh. You guys can yell at me about opening some of these packs in the comments. Code card for y'all. One to the front. Water Energy. Baltoy. Finizen. Larvista. Fungus. Wishcash. Kangaskhan. Camerupt. Houndour reverse. Hey, look at that. That is the Varoom alt art right there. So that's pretty cool. And Claydol hollow. So there we go. Very nice. So we'll put this guy in the sleeve. In the top loader, because why not? All right. Put that one right next to Charizard. Very nice pack there. Very nice. Something different. I like that. Right in the middle of this one here, another Tyranitar pack. Usually have better luck opening these packs, but today we are on the struggle bus. Here we go. Code card. This one to the front here. Psychic Energy. Larvitar. Magnemite. Eevee. Toadschool. Stoutland. Frogadier. Drampa. Cleffa reverse. Floatzel reverse. And Palafin hollow. Well, another middle pack. Why not? Oh, man, we were just on a Tyranitar pack. That one opened pretty good. Code card for all y'all. This to the front. Leaf Energy. Squavent. Appletoad. Zigzagoon. Scyther. Doug Trio. Houndstone. Diggersby. Vengeful Punch Reverse. Nummel Reverse. And another Palafin Hollow. 2 Palafin Hollows in a row. Move over here. How many packs we got on each side? Yeah. Charizard pack. Here we go. Now we got 8 pack. We got 9 packs left. 8 after this one here. Charizard pack. Hopefully that brings us a little bit of luck. Wow. We are having some trouble here. There, come on. There we go. Or not. This one just does not want to open. There we go. Got the opening now. Here it is. All right. All right. Here we go. Code card. Energy to the front. Start off. Smoliv. Varoom. Saladit. Electric. Malamar. Grumpig. Bellabolt. Magnemite Reverse. Sensity Reverse. And Darkrai Hollow. All right, we're going to just go down the line now. Top to bottom and hope for the best. Open sesame. Says me. Code card. One to the front. Metal Energy. Vulpix. Phantom. Wooper. Buizel. Camerupt. Clodsire. Granbull. Bellabolt Reverse. Smoliv Reverse. And Entei Hollow. Code card for y'all. Energy to the front. Fire Energy. Start it up. Vulpix. Phantom. Wooper. Deja Vu coming on here. Buizel. Lycanroc. Probopass. Linoon. Nice reverse hollow Charmander. Reverse hollow Malamar. And Claydol hollow. Keeping it going here. Getting down to some of the final packs here. We've got 5 packs left. As I open this one poorly. Code card upside down. So there it is. Energy to the front. And fighting energy. Here we go. Houndour. Combi. Diglett. Rowlet. Bronzog. Beartic. Charmeleon. Darmanitan. Dratini Reverse. And Gita Hollow. All right. Here we go. Down to the final 5 packs. Hopefully everybody's hung in there this long. If you have, thank you. Code card for all of you. Here we go. Fighting energy again. Saladin. Electrike. Larvitar. Magnemite. Sharpedo. Espeon. Nice little evolution there. Floatzel. Grivard. Sincity. And Claydol Hollow again. All right, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. Last few packs. Hopefully we can pull something. We're saving the best packs for last, hopefully, as we continue our Charizard hunt. But at this point, we'd love to grab anything out of here. Anything else that we've already grabbed. Here's our code card. Energy to the front. Leaf Energy. Pidgey. Litwick. Yungoos. Charmander. Lapras. Masquerain. Gumshoes. Camerupt. Oddish reverse. And hey! Funny story is I just bought this single at the comic book store today as well. So if I would have waited, I wouldn't have needed to buy it. But here it is. Charizard EX Silver. Put this bad boy right in the sleeve, in and into a top loader. As we've got another Charizard hit. There we go. We'll put that one right over there. Very nice. Excited about that one for sure. Here we go. Final 3 packs. Code card for everybody. Let's move that energy to the front. Psychic Energy. Dratini. Oddish. Swablu. Glimmet. Altaria. Houndoom. Brassius. Scyther Reverse. Toad's Cruel. And Thunderous Hollow as I just threw it. There's a Thunderous Hollow. Had that one already. Final 2 packs as we're down to the old nitty gritty. Code card. Energy to the front. Psychic Energy. Melton. Charcadet. Ponsnard. Lillipup. Poppy. Lunatoon. Dartrix. Fungus Reverse. Tadpole Reverse. And Gita Hollow once again. All right, down to the last pack. Tyranitar pack. Little last pack magic here, hopefully. Last pack magic. Let's go. Code card for everybody on the last pack. Lightning Energy. Drillbur. Cubchoo. Spoink. Tynamo. Umbreon, everybody's favorite evolution. Poppy. Lunatone. That's a Wooper. Paldean Wooper. Reverse. Among Us Reverse. And Toxtricity Hollow. And that's our final pack there. So again, everybody, thank you for joining me as we did another pack opening today, this time of 21 Obsidian Flames packs. Pulled a couple Charizards. This one's going in the personal collection. This one will be up for sale on the Goodies Resale channel, as well as this one here. 3 pretty cool pulls. I'm pretty excited about it. I enjoyed opening them. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite pull was and what's your favorite set out of the newer sets that have come out recently. Make sure you leave those comments down below. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.